Hi, it's Jeff again. Family Legacy Estate Sale. We're opening yet another bin of toys we received in a recent huge collection that we obtained. We're opening them all on video like this. There's 62 boxes and bins of these toys. Everything that we will show that comes out of these bins will be available for sale on our website, which is www.familylegacyestatesale.com. And if you want to continue to watch our videos, you can like us on Facebook or subscribe to our YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what's in this bin. And let's see. Looks like we've got some Marvel superheroes. We've got a Punisher. We've got Venom. We've got Iron Man. Looks like the bubble's coming off the card on that. These are from early 90s, it looks like. So those are cool. This is it's like a Japanese version of an X-Men villain. Yeah, definitely a Japanese card. This collection came from a collector who lives in the United States, but was stationed in Japan. So there's a lot of cards that were, there's another X-Men figure, and a lot of cards that are branded with a Japanese card on them. So, looks like this is a duplicate. Yeah, it's a duplicate. Got a little different sticker on there, but definitely the same figure. This one he's got wrapped, I'm not sure why. But it's a Wolverine. Very cool. And I believe that might be Cyclops. I'm not completely familiar with all the X-Men. What do we got here? We've got a Ghost Rider figure on his cycle, Vengeance. And Mr. Sinister, X-Men. Strong Guy. Obviously, these are all on cards. 5th edition Wolverine with thrusting knife action. Gotta like the thrusting knife. We got Tusk. Bubble on that one. It's a little yellow. We've got, I think that's Cyclops also. Let's see. We have a couple out this time. What we got here? Oh, very cool. Another mutant. Looks like we've got Bishop here. This looks like it's crazy with X-Men figures. Omega Red. Sabretooth. I think we had a Sabretooth earlier as well. There's another Cyclops. What do we got here? We got a Marvel team-up figure. Venom 2 and Web Glider Spiderman. Let's see when this is from. This is 1996. It says 1 of 5,000. So that might have a little bit of a premium to it. It's actually, if it's actually rare, Mr. Sinister. Omega Red. So this is all pretty much X-Men figures. And another one of this guy. Cable 3. It's a little different card. This is 1998. 4th Wolverine. Wolverine is always very popular. Now we've got some Spider-Man figures. Spider-Man, Spider Power, 1998. You know, it doesn't sound like that's too long ago, but you realize it's almost 30 years ago already. Battle Ravaged Spider-Man. Almost to the end of this bin. 6-armed Spider-Man. That's cool. Very different. Just your basic Spider-Man. It's one from the animated series, it says. And then we've got Carnage, also from the animated series. Web Cannon Spider-Man. And the final one is Octo Spidey. Very cool. Doc Ock arms on Spider-Man. So we're going to have these up for sale, like I said, on our website. And as you know, we're very competitively priced. So please check out our website, www.familylegacyestatesale.com. And we are always buying collections. So if you've got any extra inventory or you have a collection you're looking to liquidate, feel free to give us a call. Thank you.